Do you want to make some beautiful banana oat pancakes? Let's go. 50 grams of rolled oats. 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate soda. And blend to a fine powder. So once you've grinded your oats, you now have oat flour, and you can also use gluten-free oats if you are gluten intolerant. 4 egg whites and 1 ripe banana. Blend. Pour this into your mix and whisk. And just leave this to sit for about 10 minutes. Get yourself a non-stick pan. Once your pan gets hot, spray with oil. Now before we flip these, we're going to add some chocolate chips. Top these with whatever you like. And there you have it. Some beautiful healthy banana oat pancakes. Mmm.